Welcome to another meeting dedicated to executive automats, an MS Dynamics AX tool brought to you by XPLUS S.A. This time we'll be talking about creating a script, so we'll quickly show you how to record a new one, edit it, and finally prepare it for being run in the system for a number of different purposes. Okay, we'll start off by recording a new script that shows how to create and post a new daily journal. First of all, we need to go to the All Scripts form. To begin recording, we'll press the record button and confirm it by clicking OK. In the top left corner, there's a red dot blinking, which means, of course, that our recording has started. All we need to do now is to carry out the operations we want to be captured. So let's go to our general ledger first. Here we'll open General Journals and create a new daily journal. Next we'll proceed to its lines to fill in the required details. Obviously we'll have to choose the account number and provide the relevant description. Then we'll enter the amount, say $400. We'll select the offset account type, in this case it's a customer, Active Transport Incorporated to be specific. Our new daily journal is now ready, so let's see if it's correct. Now that we know it's fine, we can post it. And there, it's done. In the top right corner there is the log window showing what's going on, which step is currently being carried out. What's quite important is that if we make a mistake in recording time and we don't want the step in question to be registered, we can disable it immediately in the log window and continue as if nothing ever happened. So let's go ahead and disable both steps involved in the process of checking whether our daily journal was correct. To end the recording, we hit the stop button in the control panel and confirm that we do in fact want to save our script. Once the script is recorded, we can set about editing it as required. The new script has already appeared in the All Scripts window and is ready to be edited. Let's name it somehow for a start. We can verify and edit our script on the Steps tab, which provides us with a complete list of all the executed steps. Okay, time to get our hands dirty. Let's select the step we want to edit in order to change its parameters. For instance, the delay time, say 1 second. We can also add a comment that will pop up during playback. Define logical expressions and command instructions. Finally, we can set value to be entered when our script will be running. Now the value is constant, but it can be defined as a variable, or we can determine a value set. Let's have a list of values from which we'll be able to randomly choose something. Let it be a specific date. Such a list can also be imported from a file. And so our script is nearly ready for use. The last thing to do before we can run it is compilation, namely translating the recorded script into a native programming language used by executive automats. We make this happen by pressing the compilation button. Then we give it a moment, and it's done. Since our script is ready, let's use it, shall we? Whatever we've recorded is now being repeated by the system automatically. Okay, so this is how, thanks to executive automats, we've recorded a script reflecting a part of a process that we were after. We've adapted the script to our needs. We've compiled it and finally run it, all of which in no time and pretty much without effort. A script that is supplied this way can then be used repeatedly and in different modes to cover different purposes, depending on your needs. Executive automats assure quality through in-depth MS Dynamics AX tests. They speed up skills development processes, support solving technical issues, and facilitate everyday work by making crucial testing, training, monitoring, and administrative tasks highly automated. EA record operations carried out while the users handle solution functions. User actions captured this way are stored as scripts. These can be bound into scenarios and played back in a semi-intelligent way as required. Scripts are maintained in knowledge base alongside solution functions corresponding with process steps. This constitutes a solid base for advanced automation. EA offer 12 modes of running scripts to address challenges presented by different stages of development cycle. XPLUS S.A thanks you for attention. We hope you've enjoyed this video and we'd like to invite you to browse through other resources regarding executive automats, or perhaps the whole Dynamics Automated family that we've prepared for you and made available on our YouTube channel for your convenience. Should you have any concerns or questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch. Our contact details can be found at the end of this video as well as in its description below.